In July 2019, the Gorek Wellhead Platform was installed by McDermott for Sarawak Shell Berhad. Installation was completed using McDermott's derrick barge DB30. The Gorek Wellhead Platform consists of a four-legged jacket with skirt sleeve piles and a topside component. The installation was part of the Pan-Malaysia Transportation and Installation Offshore Facilities contract awarded to McDermott. The installation site was in the Gorek Development Field, offshore East Malaysia, near Sarawak, Malaysia, in water depth of 80 to 90 meters. Weighing approximately 1,300 metric tons, the Gorek jacket, piles and conductors were loaded out from Lumut Fabrication Yard and transported to the offshore site location by the Maritime Glory, towed by tugboat Lanpan 33. The duration of the tow from Lumut to the offshore site took approximately 8 days. Weighing approximately 430 metric tons, the Gorek topside was loaded out from the Lumut Fabrication Yard and transported to the offshore site location on transportation barge JMC 2824, towed by tugboat E1 Adventure. The installation of the Gorek jacket took approximately 12 days, from July 4th to July 17th. The Gorek Wellhead Platform consists of a four-legged jacket. The installation sequence included the jacket being side-lifted, up-ended and set down on the seabed using DB30's main crane. The jacket has four legs with a pile on each leg of 84 inches in diameter and a range up to 280 meters in length. The piles were driven through the jacket's leg through the skirt pile sleeves using a hydraulic hammer. The boat landing was installed and piles were grouted to the sleeves. The jacket completion works were then performed. The topside was installed by the DB30's main crane via a single-point lift and stabbed onto jacket legs. Taking approximately 2 days, the offshore installation of the Gorek topside with the overall Gorek Wellhead platform was completed on the 19th of July 2019.